turns, they got up to 25 miles an hour. Man, some of those turns, they got up to 25 mile an hour. That would have been seriously impressive if they were driving a school bus. Wow. There it is. Deals Gap Store and Resort. Woohoo! Yay! Why are there so many cars? Holy crap, there it is. There's the V4S that's been chasing me. And there's Tracy coming in. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.